Hey guys, I hope you can hear me, you can see me clearly. And I'm gonna be very quick because my battery is very low and I have to do a lot of work myself. So I'm not gonna be taking 1 hour or 2 hour trade, just maybe 10 or 15 minutes. So if you have any question, please let me know. I'll answer it here, or if it's not, I'll answer it later. So the reason I just came live right now is very important because um, the thing is that the summer is coming and people gonna go on vacations and stuff, and people have been saving a lot of money for this vacation and tour, and and they travel, people travel all over the world during this time. Europe and America, for example, these people, no matter what, even though they have no money, they go on vacations every year, no matter what. So the thing is that they've been saving money to spend money this time. So, but when was the last time you took a vacation? Okay. Assalamu alaikum, brother Khalid. Hey, Hassan Habib, how you doing, brother? Assalamu alaikum. So, when is the last time you take a vacation? You ask yourself, when is the last time you spend something that is good? Okay. Like for example, this shirt I bought the other day, like 3 days ago, maybe last week, from Gap. It's one of the good company here, Gap. So I can spend whatever money I want to spend. It doesn't have to be pricey, it doesn't have to be expensive, but whatever I like to have, I buy. And according to your business, according to budget, you spend money. You go on vacation, you spend whatever you like. If you have wife or kids, you buy whatever they need. And I love to I used to shop a lot, but I reduce a lot because most of the stuff I bought, I never used it. But my wife and kids, they love it. They're maniac. They always, every day I have to buy something for my kid. I have a 6-year-old son. He said, buy me, the Thomas and James, buy me Lego, buy me, Pokemon cards and stuff. So it's like for because there is a big supermarket there and there is a Pokemon card inside the, the cereal box. So you want me to walk, instead of taking the bus, it's like 9 blocks away. It takes only 2 minutes, like 3 minutes on the bus and 10 minutes to walk to go to school. So he wants me to walk so he can go to the store and buy the cereal, and I have like at least like 6 or 7 boxes right there. So anyway, but my point is I'm trying to make is here, the point I was trying to make here, that if you have money, you can spend it. If you do not have money, you're never gonna make it. You're never gonna buy your own necessity, like pay your rent or your clothes or whatever, shoes or sandals, whatever you need. Even food, I mean, worst case scenario, Hey Khalid Saifullah, hey Nur Muhammad, how you doing, brother? So the reason I just, I want to take this chance to talk to you about a great news. I want to give it to you right now. Yes, hey Noor, I haven't seen your question yet. Let me see. Okay, but anyway, I don't see any question. So I don't know what answer you are looking for. Anyway, I'm gonna explain to you. I'm gonna give some few more time, just few minutes, so people can join and see. Hey Kurt, how you doing, brother? So the main problem I have seen so far, recently I have probably I have over little more than 2,000 on my friends list, and most of the people I always message after I accept their the friend's request, or I send their friend request. I just say hi, hello, this and that, just basic chatting, nothing, no pitching, no promoting anything, just hi, hello, asking their lifestyle, how they're doing, if there any problem, anything I can do for them, this kind of thing. You don't, the problem I've seen, people just send you a friend message, friend request, just to spam yourself, spam you. This is what happened. That's why I block them most of the time. If I see anything in any blog, any link or anything, right away I block them. I go their profile and see what kind of people they are, and if I like them, I accept them. If then even they send me a link right away, I block them. Why? Because I don't need this garbage. I don't spam people. I mean, unless it's very important, very good one, very absolutely free, that is benefit them, then yeah, I sometimes send them the messages. But nothing. I don't pitch anybody. I don't spam anybody. I don't push any business. My business, I have like over 50 businesses, but I never push anybody, to buy my product unless they ask me for info. Unless they, ask me, hey, send me info, then I send. Because everything is on, I post online, and they can see on my wall. So I don't have anything to sell to anybody unless they are interested. I don't want to chase after people, because this is not how the business works, the real business, the real marketing works. Anyway, so if you want to learn real marketing, like how to promote your business, no matter what junk you're promoting, doesn't matter how good or how bad or ugly it is. If you believe in your product, you better promote it. You better keep your mouth open. You let people hear what you are promoting. But make sure it's not a scam business, because if you scam, nobody gonna like you. One mistake, if you have to err is human, and everybody can make a mistake. So I've done some mistakes. It's not a big deal. But whenever I learn that something is fishy, something is something it doesn't connect me, I'm not 100% sold, I stop promoting. For example, one of the business I promoted last 8-9 months ago is called Mice, and I was not convinced. I asked the CEO some question, he couldn't answer it, so I said, forget it. This is stupid BS. So I stopped promoting that business. Even though I became a partner, I paid like €350, and I spent more money on this business. But later on, I find out after like month or less than a month, I realized this is all fake. It could be true, could be, legit. I don't know. But according to my knowledge, according to my research, it didn't turn out good. So I stopped it. So yeah, you can promote some businesses that you may not know that exactly is good, is solid or legit, but still you can promote it. As long as you believe something is, right, yeah, you promote, no problem. But as soon as you find out something is not good, something is like scam, or something is fishy, then you should be better stop it. Don't promote it just because you want to make some extra money on commissions and stuff. Because end of the day, people are going to curse at you. People are going to say, hey, you are the scammer, even though you are not the owner or whatever. But you promoted it. And even though it's nothing to do with you, but they're going to blame you anyway, because this is how the normal people act. The stupid people act. They always blame their sponsor. Anyway, so the reason I've been telling you, yeah. I don't know what you're talking about, Khalil. Yeah, so I'm from Bangladesh. Actually, I'm from New York. You can see this is my fire escape. I'm on the second floor. I don't know if you can see the whole thing. I'm on the second floor. I live right here. This is my window. Now this is the emergency fire exit. So in case something happened to my apartment and the fire happens, people can jump and then can walk, and then they can go downstairs. So anyway, I live in New York. By the way, if you do not know who am I, I'm Mohammed, and I live in New York, and I've been living here for about 28 years. Yes, I was born in Bangladesh. Yes, Khalil. Okay, brother. Khalil is my colleague. We work in the same office. He's a very nice gentleman, and I'm very proud to have him as a friend. I always ask for his advice, and he's very kind and very nice guy, very nice guy. And guess what? He has some issues, but he's still fast. I mean, this is it surprised me. A lot of people I've seen, they have excused it, they run fast because of some medical issues. But he has some medical issues, seriously, and I've seen it, how terrible it could be. And he always fasts. I mean, I never see him breaking his fast during the Ramadan, and Ramadan is coming very soon. So thank you, brother. I really appreciate your dedication and devotion on this matter. Anyway, hey Belinda. So I'm gonna be very quick because my battery is going down very soon. Hey Said brother, assalamu alaikum. So I'm gonna tell you very quick. The news I was going to give you is that everybody needs to know how to recruit the right way, the most proficient way, the most efficient way, the most converting way, the most professional way, right? And most of the people, as I mentioned, I have about 2,000 people in my friends list, and everybody I spoke to, I messaged them, they messaged me back, and almost everybody has the same issue. They cannot, hey, but you're from New York, oh, that's good. Yeah, New York is good if you have money. If you have no money, then it sucks, you know. Life is very hard because you can see my old, very old building cost me $2,000, $1,200 a month. And the guy upstairs who just came in cost, I think he paid like $1,800 or $2,000, I think. It's old building, junk building, very tiny apartment, but it's expensive. New York is very hard if you do not have the money. If you have money, yeah, it's heaven, you know. You have no, you cannot even finish your money. You have so many stuff in here going on, you know. A single night can cost you like $10,000 per night in a hotel, like 5-star hotel. If you go to presidential suite, it's gonna cost you probably $10,000-12,000 a night. Yeah, it's a joke. Anyway, so I'm saying, if you have money, then you can spend it. If you don't have money, then what do you beg or you hang out? And this is all you do. So the reason of this live video is that I want to give you something very beneficial for you. It doesn't cost you anything, not even a single dime. It's absolutely free, but it's gonna maximize earning the most. Like you can learn how to trade, how to do business online for absolutely free. He's gonna show you. The person is gonna show this thing is a multi-million-dollar a month earner. He makes more than $1 million a month. Don't you think you can learn something from him? Definitely, right? So, if you are interested, you can register for free. You just put your name and email address, and that's all. And you can stream the video as much, as long as you want and whenever you want. And you can pause it, and when you return it, it's going to start from the same place you left off. So you don't have to watch from the beginning. This is a good thing. We have very good technology behind this, our back office. You can watch live streaming. You don't have to wait a certain time. You don't have to register for a particular day or time. You can stream right now. And it's going to teach you how to do business online the most efficiently, the proficient way, the most effective way, so you can make money, whatever you are doing. You don't have to buy anything from me or my business or back office. But it's optional. If you want to do this, there will be a catch. Of course, I'm going to mention it. At the end of the video, it's going to show you an offer. If you want to upgrade, you can pay, and then you can be a member of our paid membership. But it's optional. You don't have to do this if you don't want to. But end of the video, almost at the end, is going to show you whether you want to get interested to learn more about it. They're going to give you a preview. Okay, so it's a 90 minutes long video. Okay, it's 90 minutes, 1.5 hour long, genuine training. It's not BS. It's not nothing like you never have seen it. Probably you never have seen it. So I ask you, just register, just put your name and email address and watch it whenever you like. You don't have to pay anything. You don't have to join. You don't have to do anything. You don't have to buy any product or whatsoever. Okay, just learn how to do business, and then you can implement the same learning and teaching on your own businesses that you are already currently doing. Okay, is it clear? I'm not selling you anything. I'm telling you again, I'm not selling you anything right now. This is absolutely free value I'm giving, because whatever I give for free. And also I share a lot of my mentors' videos, teachings, whatever, on my wall. If you go through last 3 years, you can see I've shared so many videos from my mentors that I have few mentors I respect. I follow them, so you can learn from them too. This is one of them. This is my most favorite business I do with this particular site. So if you want to learn from a multiple 7-figure earner a month, and he's going to teach you how to do business, whatever you're doing. Okay, it doesn't have to be our product or our business, whatever your business you're doing, affiliate marketing, network marketing, direct selling, crypto, whatever, it doesn't matter. Any business, anything, you can learn the marketing. It's going to teach you how to do market the right way, the best way, the most efficient way. Okay, so I'm going to let you go, guys. Thanks for watching. Thanks for popping in. I'm going to be doing another live probably later tonight for another business only for people who are in who are in USA. Okay, if you are in US or maybe in Canada, but people are in Canada, they may join, but they have to have a physical address in USA. And if you want, we can discuss and see what we can do about it if you are interested, if you live in Canada. So this is only exclusive for people who are live in USA and Canada. Some, it depends on, but mainly is for Canada. It's totally offline business, and you don't need to, Vic said never give up. Yeah, that's true. So that business I'm going to do later tonight. It's about, it's kind of offline business they've been doing for 4 years. And you don't have to do anything. If you suck in recruiting, this is the best job I can offer you. This is the best business I can offer you. You cannot, if you do not know how to recruit, if you are stuck in recruiting, if you are naive, you are stupid. I'm sorry, excuse me, not stupid, but I'm saying if you are new, if you do not know anything about recruiting, how to recruit, and if you live in USA, this is the best thing for you to join. I'm gonna be giving more information later on, and everything is, you don't have to do anything except you have to pay a little bit of money, and it costs you less than $100 one time. That's it. It's gonna cost you less than $100 to start if you want to start, or it can go up to like $10,000. I think they have the highest one. As far as I know, is $5,000. You can go, but at least you can start with less than $100, less than $90 even. Okay, so I'm going to talk about it tonight, most probably. So until I see you, thank you for watching. Thanks for everything, and I'm going to let you go. I'll talk to you soon. Take care, and do not give up. Do your best, learn, and then earn. Don't think about earning before learning. Learning is the key. It's the main key in the business. If you want to make money anyway, it doesn't matter what kind of business or job you do, you have to learn the trade first, right? Yeah, it doesn't matter if you do job or business, it doesn't matter what you do, you have to learn. That's why you go to school. You go to school for 12, 13, 15, 20 years sometimes, right? And you do what? You end up in broke, right? But this one going to teach you how to do your business the right way, and you can expand your business. You can do like 10 times or 20 times more whatever you are earning right now. Just watch 90 minutes of your time. Just waste it. I'm not saying invest it, just waste it. I'm saying the worst case scenario, if you don't like it, you wasted 90 minutes. So I want you to waste 90 minutes at least to learn from my mentor that I love and I follow. I met him twice in USA, in Orlando. So he's a nice guy, and he's a very good leader. He's a top leader. He's earning, you can see. And by the way, his goal is to make $1 million a day. Yeah, I'm going to repeat again. His goal is to make $1 million a day. This is his goal. Okay. So if you think he can teach you something, you can learn from him, then you better just pop in. I'm going to give the information right behind it. Underneath of the post, and whenever you feel like, you can join and you can watch, and multiple times, it doesn't matter. And also you can go to back office, and there are tons of videos out there. You can watch us for free and learn for free. And these are extra. These are, once you log in, if you join, it's free, and you can learn like 80 or 90% of the videos we have, training videos, everything is absolutely free. You don't have to pay for it, and absolutely free. So this is very important. That's why I came across to show you and give you the information, because I love this business. This is my number one favorite business, and I love to see you inside. Okay, take care. Bye bye.